God is saying to you today, change is coming. I will open doors for you that no man can shut. You are entering a time in your life that I am bringing new blessings and new and excited things to you. I understand that you may feel afraid of your path that may lie ahead, but don't worry, I am always with you. I love you, and I determine your path. Our world is in chaos and hurting like never before, but we are being protected by a loving, able God. We must never forget that our God is so much bigger than anything we will ever face. He is stronger than any force, and He will protect you through every trial. Don't let go of your faith during these trying times. Look what God is doing for you at this moment. You are alive, healthy, and safe. You and your family are blessed. We can't be everywhere, but our God is. Keep your trust in Him, and He will bring you and your loved ones through. God can and will perform miracles to heal physically, spiritually, and emotionally. I am asking God to visit your home today with healing, blessings, and miracles. Type Amen if you believe. God is saying to you today, great blessings are about to enter into your life because you have believed for so long. You never give up. You remain faithful. Your dedication, passion, and patience are about to pay off in a major way. Everything is about to make sense. Your angels are so excited for you to experience the magic that is coming your way. You are entering a time of extreme good luck, positivity, and abundance, and you can manifest anything you desire. Now, release the need to understand where your good fortune is coming from. Accept the joy and prosperity in all its forms. Any difficult times you had recently are ending, and you will be so happy in the near future if you are ready to claim it. Today, ask for what you want, then surrender, let go, and allow the universe to do its job. Trust that you are covered or your situation will change. All you have to do is keep making room to receive. Your preparation will meet your opportunity very soon.
God says things can instantly happen for you. Don't ever doubt the power of sudden blessings. Breakthroughs let you down happens every second. Believe in my power. I will never let you down. God says miracles are pouring into your life at an unstoppable rate. You are going up mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and financially. Are you ready? Type yes if you are ready. God says someone comes into your life and makes you so good and doesn't disappoint you and makes you realize that everything happens for a reason, like the video if you have a trust. God says whatever made you cry in the past is nothing compared to the blessing that is going to make you smile in the future. I know you can't tell what I am doing, but keep praying and one day it will all make sense. I promise. Everything will work out. I am always in complete control. I will not fail. Stop worrying how it's going to happen and start trusting that it will. Keep moving forward because now's the time for you to go out there and discover new opportunities that can help you create the new future you deserve. Something magical is about to remind you that there is no such thing as coincidence. Your life is about to change and massive blessings are nearby. Type yes to affirm. Your greatness is coming alive. Your light is shining brighter. Nothing or nobody can stop what's meant for you. Move towards your vision and like this video to receive. Type 222 if you believe. When you truly want something and go after it without limiting yourself with disbelief, the universe will make it happen. Universe says, you are going to laugh again, you are going to trust again, and you are going to love again. I am going to restore everything you lost. Type Amen if you believe. You are going to have so much success in every area of your life before this month is over. You will see things getting better than you could ever imagine. Like this video now. Congratulations! I show a miracle coming to your house right now. Receive it.